Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time, but I've been busy for the past couple of days um, cleaning my pontoon and tearing out the old seats to put in new seats. Now I didn't want to spend $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 on pontoon seats, new ones, just because I did not have the original plastic bases that come with them. Someone had homemade pontoon seats, if you want to say custom. There you go, custom pontoon seats in my pontoon when I bought it. I didn't really know that much about pontoons then. So anyway, let me show you what I tore out. That way you can understand why I did what I did. All right, so yeah, here are my pontoon seats. Nothing really great to look at. They were split. These look all right. These are just the backs. It's actually the seat bottoms that were in rough shape. And plus this is just plywood and foam, and they are extremely heavy. And I just did not like this at all. So I took it out. I decided to go with Wicker furniture off of Amazon. I chose 3 sofas. I only built one, assembled one of them. And the only reason I only assembled one of them is because it took about 2.5 hours. And I cleaned my tunes today, which found a great product to do that from NAPA. Here's the pontoon. The tunes are pretty clean. Yes, they're not polished, but hey, they look a lot better than they did. So let me go ahead and just give you a walk around. This is my pontoon. It's probably the cleanest it's been in a long time. But anyway, I did not clean the tunes on the inside yet. That's probably another day. This took 3 gallons to get my tunes this clean. So anyway, let me go ahead and flip the camera around. All right, let's walk up the pontoon so you can see. Yes, I know I bent this. Coming in too fast. Anyway, here's the patio furniture. I've got 3 sofas, but I've only built one, like I said. So here it is. I do not have it bolted down. It's inside the railing, so I didn't worry about bolting it down. But I can actually bolt it to the floor if I wanted to, because these foot pads, I guess, foot blocks, actually have a screw hole. I can actually screw into them. So, but if you look, I didn't get, this was not my idea. I got this idea off of Pinterest. But anyway, that sofa is like, I don't know, with tax and all, it's like, I don't know, I bought 3 of them for like $1,100. So we'll say like $325 to $350. Anyway, it's free shipping and everything. But see, the color of that blue almost matches my canopy. So anyway, oh, here comes the boys here. Yeah, Rhett and Bandit. Anyway, they're playing. No, they're not fighting. And of course, one of the sofas will go in the back. The other sofa will come right across to the other sofa. This blank area here, I'll just use for storage. Probably the cooler. Or if I wanted to, I could buy a love seat and put in there. But that's going to be way more. See, I don't see myself having like 10 people on my pontoon. But hey, you never know. Like I said, I'll probably put the cooler there. Or I'll put a some type of container, storage container there to put these in. Unless I figure out how to strap them down so they don't go flying away down the highway. But anyway, what's nice is this also came with a cover. So I could actually throw this cover on since it's not bolted down on the pontoon. Or even if it was bolted down, I could. But anyway, I can throw a cover on it when it's out in the elements and everything. Anyway, my carpet is still in somewhat decent shape. Not great, but decent. But yeah, it's dated. Like I said, I think this is a 1989 pontoon. So it's got a 4-stroke engine at least. So the floor is in still pretty good, decent condition. So anyway, I just thought I'd show you around on my pontoon a little bit. And this is what I've done. And this has taken me 2 days. Don't laugh, but yes, 2 days. Anyway, all right, guys. Oh, I do have plans on installing 2 12 volt cigarette lighters, because I won't put them underneath here. I actually disconnected the radio, removed the radio entirely, because I'm just going to use my phone. And I've got over there, you can see a Sugar Boom USB portable waterproof subwoofer that I'm thinking, honestly, it sounds so good. I'm thinking about buying another one and having two of them on here. They're 35 watts a piece. That'll be 75 watts. It sounds really good. Anyway, and I've had this old thing forever, and I finally took it out of the Jeep and put it in here. So anyway, guys, I thought I'd just give you a little walk around, and if you were looking for alternatives for pontoon furniture, maybe, just maybe, this might be your solution. So like, for just over $1,000, I can have new up-to-date seating on my pontoon for just $1,000, and it can sit 9 people. So probably actually sit more than that. They probably could sit, 4 people, 5 small people, but 3 or 4 adults for sure. Or if you just want to have one of these, one person could lay on one person could lay on one person could lay on one, and the other person can drive the pontoon. All right, guys, that's all I was going to show you. Anyway, guys, y'all have a good one. I hope this was informative or gave you some ideas.